Powerful investors target 12 to 32 unit buildings, the sweet spot for creating massive wealth. Here's the math that'll change your life. Single units and duplexes are amateur moves. When your water heater breaks at 2 a.m., you're one repair bill away from wiping out months of profit. But with multiple units, you're protected. Here's the real money play. Buy a 16-unit building with $1,000 rents. Upgrade units, improve management, and bump rents to $1,200. That's an extra $3,200 monthly, $38,400 per year. Commercial property values are based on income. That $200 rent increase, it just added $576,000 to your building's value. That's how the wealthy create equity from thin air. With 12 to 32 units, you've got enough scale to hire professional management. No more midnight maintenance calls, no more chasing rent. The building runs itself. One maintenance emergency in a fourplex hits your bottom line hard, but in a 16-unit, that same repair gets divided by 4 times as many paying tenants. Stop thinking small. Start with at least 4 units, then scale to 12 to 32. That's where real estate becomes a wealth machine, not a side hustle. Create value, raise rents responsibly, and watch your net worth multiply. That's how you build generational wealth in real estate.